In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from Xero to QuickBooks Online. We'll use Data Switcher's request form to kick off a professional conversion, so you get your historical data moved accurately with minimal hassle. Before we begin, it helps to have admin access to your Xero organization and to know which QuickBooks Online subscription you plan to use. It's also a good idea to make sure your Xero books are tidy and that you can access recent reports for reference, but don't worry. Today we're just submitting the migration request. Start by opening the Data Switcher website and heading to the contact page. On that page, click Get Started. This launches a guided form designed specifically for migrations. When the form loads, choose Migration Request. This tells the team you're not just asking a general question, you want a full data conversion. Next, you'll see fields asking what you want to convert from and what you want to convert to. Open the I want to convert from selector and choose Xero. Then open the I want to convert to selector and pick QuickBooks Online. Selecting these correctly ensures the team applies the right process, mappings, and checks for your systems. Click Next to move forward. You'll now see a box for your request conversation or description. Use this space to summarize your needs in plain language. For example, mention your desired conversion date, the fiscal years you want included, any multi-currency activity, or if you use tracking categories or classes that you hope to preserve conceptually. Keep it concise, but specific enough to guide the team. Avoid including any sensitive information such as passwords, API keys, or bank details. Click Next again to proceed to your contact details. Enter your full name, your company name, and a reliable work email address so the team can reach you with follow-up questions and timelines. Double-check your entries for accuracy, since this is how you'll receive status updates and any requested clarifications. Again, do not paste any confidential credentials here. If secure document sharing is needed later, the team will provide the proper channel. Once everything looks good, click Submit. That's it. Your migration request is in. You should receive an acknowledgement and, typically, next steps from the Data Switcher team. Keep your Xero account accessible in case you're asked to grant permissions or confirm settings, and be ready to share non-sensitive clarifications that help them tailor the conversion to your setup. With this request submitted, you're well on your way to moving from Xero to QuickBooks Online efficiently and with confidence.